How's it going? Squeaker? What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying, Icky? What's that? What did you say? You want some grass? Oh, you scratchy boys. Here, have a grass. Have a grass. There, you like that. And another one. Don't steal Squeakers. It's yours. One for Squeaker. You're right. Icky, you're just too fast. You're too fast. There you go. No, don't steal his. There you go. Hello, Alfie. Hello, Alfie. Hello, Alfie. Alfie? You want some more? There you go. Can't you pick your own grass? There. Look at Icky. There you go. Eat all night, you lot. Listen. There's lots of grass to eat. Can't you pick your own grass? There you go. There you go. Oh, Icky, don't nick it from me. There you are. There you go. Uh-oh. Got visitors. Alfie? 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 Alfred, what are you doing? Hello, Fuff. Hello, Alfie. Oh, what are you doing eating the rubbish off the apple tree? Alfie, silly cat. That's rubbish that's fallen off the apple tree. What do you think, boys? What's going on the roof? What's going on the roof? Oh, you're itching like mad. You're going to get a mite treatment soon, you are. You are. Oh, scratching and scratching. Heavens above, whooper whoopers. Hello.